I am Payal Agarwal. Over the years, I have been fortunate to serve as Wikiflow Indore chairperson, run my brand Rainbow for curated events, co-steer Reuniono Cafe with my husband, and nurture Aksho Veda Wellness products. For me, it's always been about creating connections and experiences that add value.
Coming from a city of diamonds and textiles, I've been born and brought up in Surat, and I've done my schooling from Surat, a convent school, girls' school, and then I did my graduation in BBA. I've specialized in marketing, and then I did my master's in advertising and communication management from Pune Symbiosis. So I think everything was just comfortable, and then soon when I joined a women's organization, Wikiflow Indore, that's what changed my life. Until then I was living a very comfortable life. When I witnessed the kind of work these women were doing, I was in awe. I think that was the point when I realized somewhere कि अब मुझे कुछ करना है या मुझे कुछ करना चाहिए. I had that courage to take the chairpersonship after 15 years of my marriage. That was the biggest challenge, that I took that up after 15 years. I would call myself courageous to take that big position. It's a national organization. My venture Rainbow, I organize and curate experiences. We recently hosted an event with White Crow. It's a multi-branded store, and also did a festive pop-up collaboration with Pernia Pop-Up Studio in Indore. मुझे जो सबसे ज़्यादा मेरी लाइफ में इंस्पायर करता है is my mom. She somehow had that faith in me कि मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ. My biggest strength is definitely 100% my husband. I could have done nothing without his support. And Cafe Reuniono is an Italian cafe where I support my husband in looking after the cafe. Basically, I look after the marketing part. And Aksho Veda is like Ayurvedic wellness product. So I support him. I stand like a pillar. I think it's vice versa. We both stand for each other, supporting him in whatever way I can, in whichever way I can contribute. I never stopped trying. मेरे बच्चे मेरे सबसे बड़े critics हैं. They tell me कि मम्मी आप ये सही कर रहे हो, आपने बहुत अच्छा बोला, this could have been better. I'm always in that favor कि just start. Ifs, buts, ऐसा हो जाएगा, वैसा हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, वो तो चलता ही रहेगा. होने के बाद भी हो सकता है. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. Silence is wisdom. Keep dreaming. Dream high, fly higher, and never give up. So for me, multitasking is like a balance. Balance between your family, your work, your social events. I'm a very planned person. I plan each and everything, whatever I have to do. I think this has come from my parents. I would thank my parents who've always taught me the value of time.